So we actually had an amazing day up on those mountains. That was fantastic. It was a great adventure. We're a little bit tired, so we came back home and we relaxed for a little bit. But now is another fun part of this trip. We're actually heading out to the Desert Palm Premium Outlet Mall and we're gonna do some shopping. Amazing day. You guys ready to go? Yeah. Let's do it.
Are you ready to give me your credit card?
The times have changed. You should give me your credit card.
Excuse me, I'm an old-fashioned gal.
21st century. You gotta buy me like some cool stuff.
Give it.
All right, guys, shopping time. So we're still in the Coachella Valley, as they call this whole area, and it's basically in the middle of the desert, like you see outside over there. A different type of desert than you see in the Middle East, but nonetheless desert. But they've actually built amazing, amazing cities right here in the desert. And we're heading to the mall, the outlet mall, which is called the Desert Hills Premium Outlet Mall, because they've got all sorts of brands. And I did see the list. It's got all sorts of premium brands all the way down to your normal everyday brands. We're gonna be there for a few hours, and looks like we're gonna divide and conquer, as the girls are saying. Everybody's gonna do their own thing, so we can make sure we get everything we need. Some mad paper over there. Get some real Arab money.
Benjis. Where the Benjis?
Alright, we are here. It's every man and woman for himself and herself now. I'll see you guys in a couple hours.
Except you're coming with me.
What? I gotta buy my own stuff. I'm old enough to buy my own stuff now.
I'm not. Where do you want to go?
I'm gonna go to the sports stores.
Okay, fine.
Probably not the places you want to go to.
You can text me?
Yeah, I will. I've got Wi-Fi. I'll be alright.
Okay.
See you later. Alright, finally gonna do some shopping. Alright, started off with something simple. I just got a couple t-shirts. I need some jeans. How you doing? I opened this one up, but I do want to take it. You guys can't see that. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Out of here. I love this store, Gap. Again, this is a store that just reminds me of college. It reminds me of Texas. I had a few friends that worked in Gap while we were in college, and they'd always get us super awesome deals. I know I shouldn't be saying that, but it's the truth. I think a lot of people in college do that. But anyways, got some cool stuff over here. Brought back some good memories. I think I need a snack. So there's actually an awesome story to this shop. These two, Brandon and Leah, they're the owners of this company. They've got a great story. They actually started this business 10 years ago when they wanted to raise money to take a trip to Italy. So this trip. And ever since, the business has grown. Brandon is now the CEO of this company. They're all over the place. They ship all over the world. My God, you could ship ice cream all over the world?
No ice cream.
No ice cream. I chowed that down in like less than a minute. It was so good. My God, what a great story. I just realized that I have not had ice cream since I came to California, so this will be the first ice cream over here. Probably the best. That is fantastic, thank you. So, got this crazy awesome ice cream. I cannot walk around. I'm gonna sit right here and give you guys a quick look at what I got. Woohoo-wee! Oh my God, take a look at that, guys. This is the kind of treat that you need to give yourself. Oh, it's starting to melt. So that amazing vanilla base dipped in chocolate and then just chocolate covered toffee on the outside. All right, gotta go. And that would basically be my lunch now. Back to shopping. So I've lost my group, which is I guess a good thing because you need quite a bit of time to shop over here. We've been here just over 2 hours. I think I might have walked into like 6 stores or something like that. So not a few things, not a whole lot. Still looking for the sports stores and then heading back home. We have an awesome meal waiting for us at home. Ooh, Tom Ford. And as I said that, look who I found. What up? Let me see how you guys, how much you guys shopped versus how much I did. Holy, whoa! What you get? The Disney Store, Kate Spade, Banana Republic. My God, like I basically did nothing compared to you. I know my wife's gonna come over here with like double the amount of bags.
Just let Dolce, so that's it.
There's my wife right there. Woo! Oh, the damage is not that bad. Not bad.
Not done.
What? I actually said that you're gonna have much more than that. Look at me.
I was very responsible.
Put your bags up. Put your bags up.
I was very responsible, actually.
I'd love to hear that. Making room. So this is the infamous Kabab kubide that Amu is making. My God, it looks amazing.
See the process.
Oh, I know. Oh, I can't believe we missed it.
Missed it.
But it's okay.
You have to come another time.
Oh, okay. But hey, a great chef never tells a secret, so it's okay. Your secret
Well,
is.
no, I'll tell you the secret. It's a family recipe, of course.
Oh, amazing.
It consists of meat and onion
Okay.
and some secret spices.
Oh, but hang on. I know that the percentage of onion you put in there, that's also
Well,
different people do it differently. Like how much onion do you put in there, Amu? Like versus.
A little bit less than a half, like about 1.3 pounds of meat and half pound of onion.
And the fat? Does it have to be fat?
It has to be about 20%, between 15 to 20. 15 is a bit dry,
Okay.
20% is juicy.
Guys, here's what it looks like just before it goes on the grill. Skewered, all nice and neat. It's got those little grooves if you look at it. Look at that. The other thing you get when you're doing kebabs is you grill these tomatoes as well. And grilled tomatoes is like really important for when you do the kebab in that way. And then of course, I'm making some white rice over here as well. So let's take a quick look. Yeah, it's gonna be sweet. Oh yeah. We got the rice cooking over here as well. Tomatoes first. That is one of the things that you must do as well, Amu, right? Like you put it on and right away you need to flip it, right?
Right away, because the first few minutes, couple of minutes,
Yeah.
is very crucial. Otherwise, it's gonna start going down. As soon you pass that stage, and it will stay.
Oh, nice. That's why you gotta have nice heat so that you can right away put it on and then flip it,
The
right?
heat should be right. Like about 400 is right for this.
Constantly flipping them over, not letting the weight bring the meat down.
Yes.
Oh, I could hear it sizzling already.
See, these are now safe.
Oh yeah, so look at that. They're a different color.
Color.
They become slightly whiter, right, than these
yeah,
right there. So look at that difference, guys.
They are not gonna separate from the skewer. And not many kebabis will tell you the secrets.
We're getting all the secrets right here.
Getting all the secrets.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Amu. That's great. Wow. Oh, got the bread up there as well to heat up the bread, huh? Oh,
Warm
nice.
up the bread.
Camera right there, and my God, I wish you guys could smell this. And look at that. I don't know if you guys see under there. You're starting to see the fat just burn from the meat and drip down. Then you'll start to see that smoke, and that's where you get that little bit of smokiness to the meat as well. That's why it's super important to have all that fat in the meat as well.
The right percentage.
The right percentage of fat right there.
I didn't pay attention to it.
Oops.
This is bad for the business.
We have one little casualty right there, but it's all good. We have tons of more amazingness. Amu, tell us that secret as well, because I know you're taking this off, but it's not ready, right?
No.
It's going back on in a while.
It will go back on.
More secrets, guys, right here. You gotta take it off the grill. You put it on the bread right there. You see like all the
Let the
juices.
little juice to come out and
It's all about technique, guys. Great stuff, not easy to make. Here's what's going down, guys. Look at that. Woo! Smoking and back on the grill. You gotta have your mind, your eyes, your hands in like 4 or 5 different places, huh, Amu? When you're doing this.
yeah.
Look at that, guys. It's like smoking. We've got the tomatoes all grilled up. Here's the thing that I love about these grills, right? The top is like a semicircle. So all the smoke, it kind of goes inside, turns back up, and comes straight to your nose. It's just fantastic. It smells amazing. I can't believe in this day and age you guys can't smell what we're cooking. Woo-hoo-hoo! That is amazing. Look at this. Let me give you guys a quick look at the table before we finish the entire thing off. It's gonna be an amazing dinner. I told you guys when we went shopping this morning that we're gonna have an amazing feast at night. Amu, it looks amazing. The way to actually get this meat off the skewer is, first of all, you press upwards there, and then you press downward here. And get it over there. It's amazing, and you need one of these for onions, and also you need this right here, which is sumac. Sprinkle that on the meat, and that gives it a little bit of a tangy flavor. I'll put some on the rice as well. And not to forget this salad, which I told you guys about before. It's basically cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions. Lemon, some of that over there. Now I already had some of this, so I already know what it tastes like. Very excited. So good. It's like so juicy. Okay guys, one other secret that you've got to know, and not a lot of people know this, but did you see we took the meat off the grill, we had some breads over there, and we juiced it, right Amu? Exactly. And then we put the meat back on the grill. When we were done with the meat, we put it back on that bread and we brought everything out, right? Now, that bread. Want to see what it looks like right now? That bread basically has all the juice and the fat from the meat, and that is another word for heaven. Super oily. Every single bit of flavor from that meat is on this bread. Don't miss out on that, guys. But can't eat this every day. Amu, all I gotta say is, brilliant.
Well, thank you.
Fantastic. Best kebab. And now, we need to go walk it off a little bit.
Go walk it up, yes.
Oh, we're gonna go have some good ice cream.
Music to my ears. Alright, we're gonna eat them. That's it. Peace out, peeps.